steel. The construction industry depends on its strength and durability for a wide variety of uses. From buildings to critical transportation infrastructure, Terracon is committed to the safety and integrity of your structural steel projects. Materials testing is crucial in maximizing the performance, durability, and safety of steel components. Terracon is your trusted partner for non-destructive evaluation and structural steel observation and testing. Our steel professionals are trained according to industry standards and certified by the American Welding Society, International Code Council, and American Society for Nondestructive Testing standards. Terracon has the experienced staff and nationwide footprint to handle projects of any scale. We utilize mobile data collection technology, including our innovative targeted system, to deliver project data quickly, so any deviations can be addressed. From fabrication to construction, Terracon collaborates with you every step of the way to ensure your project is completed on time, on budget, and to the highest standards of quality and safety. Terracon is committed to partnering with you to ensure the success of your project. Responsive, resourceful, reliable.